Hey guys, welcome back to Tip Tuesday. My name is Matthew Sturkey with Stone Mill Log and Timber Homes. Today we're going to talk about tips for spring cleaning your log or timber frame home. I'm joined today by a special guest. His name is Larry Hogshead of Dovetail Log Home Services. Larry is a partner of ours, an application partner that we've been working with for a little over 20 years now. He knows all about application of coatings and wood treatment products and chinking products, and so we're very fortunate to have him today talking about some spring cleaning. And what we're doing at our models today is getting them ready for the spring, and we're just doing a nice cleaning. And today Larry's going to talk about tips for that spring cleaning. So Larry, take it away. Thanks for joining us today.
Well, thanks for having me. So all right, my tip is wash these houses in the spring if you can. It's remarkable how much dirt and grime you'll get off of them. So my favorite analogy is like leaving your car parked out in your driveway for a year, or perhaps it's 3 or 4 years before you maintain your house, but the house collects a lot of pollutants and molds and mildews, and so it really helps the coating to last longer if you wash the house. So what we like to do is come in with some kind of soap product. I don't know if I want to endorse any kind of particular soap. There's a lot of good ones on the market. So, you know, Home Depot, Lowe's, and then your companies that handle log home products, really your best avenue. But you want a mixture of a good house cleaner. We don't like bleaches anymore. In the past we used bleaches.
Yeah, why is that?
It's hard on the vegetation.
Okay.
So we don't want to kill plants and bushes and that kind of thing.
Okay.
And so anyways, when you clean your house, you want to come in with a pressure washer at least 3,000 psi. You can use 4,000. Really, the idea is don't get your wand too close to the house and damage the wood. You can go with a higher psi. It's just distance.
You're doing a cleaning, not a stripping, right?
Correct.
You're just getting all the dirt and dust and all the grime off the house, but you're not actually wanting to strip the coatings off the wood for a nice annual spring cleaning, correct?
Yes, and that's part of the trick of it. You don't want to apply too much pressure where you might damage your coating.
Okay.
And so when you apply these soaps, which are vital, you really can't clean these homes just with water pressure. You need something that's going to release all those grimes.
Okay.
So you apply from the bottom up as you're applying your soaps. Just disperse it from the ground level all the way up. Now why? Because you don't want to have chemical lines. Whatever cleaner you're using can potentially leave lines. If you start up top, the water runs down with that chemical and you can leave chemical marks.
Okay.
And as you wash, you start from the top and work your way down.
Okay.
All right. And so I'm holding this thing here. This is an extension wand, which is a wonderful little piece. You can add it to your pressure washer, and it gives you that extra 3 feet on top of the 3 feet you already have, so you don't have to do so much ladder work.
Right. So allows you to be a little farther away and get closer with the wand, so that you don't have to do as much time on the ladder, which is
a little safer too.
A little safer, a little backbreaking, I'd say.
Right. So for most single-story homes, you can really have to do very little ladder work with one of these.
And is this work something that you think typical homeowners would be able to do themselves? Is this sweat equity opportunities, or is this an opportunity where they need to contact a professional or somebody that does, pressure cleaning for a living?
And if you're comfortable with some amount of ladder work, and there's a little bit of heavy lifting, but really most homeowners can do this.
Okay.
And it's just, I think more than anything, it's just technique and not cutting the grain of your wood with these high pressure machines, which you can do. So that's really important. But you get the hang of it after a while.
Gotcha. Well, this is certainly great information. Again, thanks Larry for partnering with us and for also joining us today for Tip Tuesday for some tips on spring cleaning. Really important to maintain your homes properly, give them an annual cleaning, and trim shrubs and bushes back away from the house, and do certain things that you would have to do in any type of home. So thanks for joining us today. I hope this has been helpful. We look forward to you joining us again next week for Tip Tuesday. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Take care.